60 seconds Traffic Pro Review. New traffic source. Are you sick and tired of having an empty PayPal online account with a $0 balance? Are you willing to try something new and easy? If yes is your answer, keep watching this video and turn off all the distractions. I am going to reveal online new traffic that is so different and unique from others. Introducing to you 60 seconds Traffic Pro, a patent-pending traffic app. Having over 150 plus free leads and buyers to any link in just 60 seconds a pop, day in and out forever. So start getting the easiest traffic of your life just a second from now. It is a dependable Adsense alternative. If you can copy and paste an affiliate link online, then you have all it takes to get thousands of free leads and buyers clicks with 60 seconds Traffic Pro. It only requires a few steps. 1. Log into the app. 2. You schedule your free traffic to any affiliate link. 3. You sit back while the app sends you traffic like an obedient little robot. That's all it takes. If this looks good to you, why not click on the first link in the description of this video to get instant access to 60 seconds Traffic Pro. 100% risk-free. Start getting traffic. It's a better Adsense alternative. 60 seconds Traffic Pro is not a subscription plan but a one-time forever lifetime plan. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Smart Software TV. Share, like, and comment on this video.